Safe secure connection with no leaks. Inflator head designed for any size of threaded CO2 cartridges, 12 grams, 16 grams, 20 grams, 25 grams. Rubber EVA foam sleeve, for 16 grams cartridges only included, no frozen fingers when operating. Detailed instructions included. Important note: not compatible with valve extenders. For Presta valves with removable cores, extra care should be taken to tightly screw the core into the valve stem. No CO2 cartridges included, CO2 cartridges sold separately. Save money in the long term, invest in the best. Why spend money on a cheaper CO2 inflator which will inevitably fail when you need it the most? This CO2 inflator is made from superior quality CNC machined aluminum alloy with durable and precise parts, which is built to last, so you can have a safe, enjoyable ride. Important. For safety reasons, do not screw in and store a Colorado 2 cartridge into the inflator head until needed for operation. Respect should be taken when using CO2 gas. Pro quality. We are so confident about the quality of our products that if you have any product issues, we're very happy to either provide a refund or a replacement. We recommend only using premium quality threaded CO2 cartridges for best performance, such as Pro Bike Tools threaded 16-gram CO2 cartridges. Note: using low-quality CO2 cartridges with potentially poor quality threads and seals can potentially damage the Colorado 2 inflator head and therefore fail when most needed. Top reviews from the United States. Saved my bacon. Bought this to put in my saddlebag flat tire kit, and there it sat unused for nearly a year. Then one day I ran over a tack nearly a dozen miles from home during a commute, so I broke out the new tube and used this inflator. Worked perfectly, and crucially it has a shutoff valve, so I was able to put a tiny bit in to shape the tube for easy seating, then fill to pressure once the tire was situated. The emergency inflate got me home with no issues, where I could properly service the bike. Weighs a tiny fraction of what even a small pump does and inflated the tube in literally a couple seconds with no effort. I'll never leave home without it. This turned a potentially real bad day into a perfectly fine day with a minor inconvenience that resulted in slightly greasy hands and nothing worse.